Hi guys, it's Professor Okidoke, and today we have something very special. We have the Mimikyu box. Look, with the pin. We got this from forbiddenplanet.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description to the site. They're based in the UK. They're very good. Reasonable prices. This in our money was £15.99, but this is a relatively new box. So yeah, I said that was quite good. Mum got a tin from there too. How much were you for your Lana? So she was £19.99 for her tin.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with it.
So let's get into this. We also have this. The Guardians Rising. I can't wait to open these. 3 Mr. Pack. I got this from... I can't... Where did I get this from? Did I get it from the same place? No, I didn't. I got it from... Plan 9.
You keeping your box?
Yeah. Yes.
That's a nice...
I keep the boxes. Earlier I opened a packet off camera and that box was so bashed. This is the card you get with it. This is the Mimikyu promo.
Put it forward a little bit.
It's cute.
It's really sparkly.
It's really, really sparkly, guys.
I just love Mimikyu.
Mimikyu's the cutest.
That was my first ever shiny, and it was in the Wonder Trade on the Moon. And I was not aware until...
I told you.
Yeah.
Oh man, today, look at our packs. We've got, out of there, 2 Lunalas? Is this a side?
I hope so.
Of course, I'm sorry guys, I'm not giving away a code today. I'm afraid. Maybe I'll give away a code. Depends how I'm feeling.
What's your bag? That just fell.
Oops, where'd it go?
On the floor, behind the chair.
Where is it?
Behind the chair.
Behind this chair?
No, where did you put the box?
There.
Well, it's behind the jacket at Jamie's.
Oh, crud. Let me see. Oh, I see it. I get it. I'm sorry, guys.
I just see a butt cam.
Sexy
juice.
Sexy butt cam experience.
The struggle's real, guys. The struggle's real.
Okay, sorry, guys. I totally forgot. the pin was on the box. I'm sorry.
I did try to tell you, but you were so...
I didn't mean to.
I know. There's your pen.
There is the cute and the most adorable pin.
You hold it like this. And this nub.
Ah!
And
You're squishing my arm.
Hey guys.
It's very blurry.
Focus. Focus, guys.
It was not going to focus. You didn't put autofocus on.
Ooh.
Okay.
So I'm going to put autofocus on, guys.
No, we don't need to.
It's okay.
Anyway,
it was
funny. So,
okay.
We're gonna start with the Fate Clyde pack.
Okay, good luck, doll.
I got really awesome pools in Burger King. That's where I opened my packets.
Food feed the brain.
Because, of course, we're playing a lot of Pokemon Go today. I got the Pokemon Go Plus. So I can play the game a lot more. What color is it? It's white, guys.
White card.
White. This means we're gonna get some good stuff.
I hope so.
So Fate's Clyde is 3 from the back. That's the card trick. Yeah, I think. I hope. Okay, so we got a Mega Capture.
Nice.
Whatever that.
The color's so much better today. I think I fixed it.
We fixed the color.
For a wee while.
Do we so? I don't know, but it's cute. So this is a Fate Clyde, so we're gonna get an EX of some sort. Kangaskhan, nice card.
Oh, I love that card. I use that in an online game.
You can have it if you want. Rialo.
No, I think I might have one already.
Boop.
Oh, he's everywhere, Rialo.
A Jigglypuff with a Snivy and a Spoink. Are you a Jigglypuff? We have a Fennekin with a Chikorita. Is there
You must
anything else?
admit that's really cool.
I like that card a lot. I love it when they put other Pokemon in the
Yeah.
artwork.
It's a
We got a
background
Snivy.
is alive.
We have a Whismur. Look, it's me.
What you wishing for?
Whismur is a loud Pokemon. It cries.
Mm.
Our reverse is a seal. I caught Mama Seal on Pokemon Go today, guys.
Yeah.
This is our. Oh, I can feel it.
What is it? What
It's
do you
gonna be a
think?
tasty. Guys, predict what it's gonna be in the comments below, if you want. Oh no! Way!
Odino.
Dino EX! I was not expecting that.
Nice card.
I was expecting something common.
You see,
Holy crud. See the white codes, guys. When you pull this in a pack, I'm not going to show you the code, but if you pull something like this, you're guaranteed an EX card, a full art, or even better sometimes. But if you pull a green code card, that means you're either just going to get a holo or even crappier. So, I think my theory is correct. You want to sleeve these?
Okay, I'll sleep that for you.
Yeah.
Upside down, yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, is there any more shinies to sleeve? Nope.
Oh wow.
That's ace. No, that was only the first pack, guys, at the Mimikyu box.
Oh, we love
I got
that.
2 good pulls from my first Mimikyu box I opened. I think I might invest in the Mimikyu box as the best pulls I've experienced.
So far.
Better than my Elite Trader box, guys. Can you believe that?
Come on, do it.
You're sleeving stuff.
I know. You sleeping him? Yeah.
Yeah, it's just shiny.
I know he's a reverse though.
It's still shiny.
I think the reverse is.
I'm sleeving anything shiny and anything
So,
regular rare.
Hollow, reverse hollow.
Doesn't matter.
Then.
It doesn't
That's
matter.
it.
It's fine.
But I'm curious to see what we get. I'm lining them up. I'm quite excited for you.
Oh, sorry guys. Pack troubles.
Big troubles. I don't know where my scissors. I've lost my scissors. I've packed my scissors. I don't know where I've got
I
them.
don't need them.
But they were here somewhere, and I've lost them.
I got a cute fly. Keep getting cute flies. Where do you want these? I'll put them over there.
I don't think I really need any more. I'm just spinning them.
Oh, it's a green code, guys.
Green cards. We'll see. We'll see.
This is Sun and Moon, right? Yeah, this is the
Yes,
first Sun and Moon
and-
pack, yes?
Yes, your first Sun and Moon dolly.
Well, not my first time opening them.
Sorry,
But,
I mean,
energy.
yeah. We need some.
We need some. We've already had some today.
I'm tired.
There's a can up there.
That's mine, I know.
Trumbeak.
Nice card.
Do you like my shirt, guys?
Yeah,
Gamers do it all night.
you can just
Go bet. Yeah,
make that into anything you want.
yeah, just use your imagination. Energy switch! Dang.
Switch! Yeah.
Why are you putting it upside down?
I don't know.
That's Mom, throw the cards. Really? You sippy.
I'm sorry.
Cutie fly.
I didn't put my upside down. You did.
Marco hit that. I didn't.
Don't argue with me.
I argue. Snubble.
Can you not just put them on the pile and I'll sort it?
Oh, sure, Millie. A Alolan Rattata.
With a mustachio.
Mustachio. We got a Sandile.
Yeah.
Bloop. We have a reverse Vicini. There you go. And our thingy is... Oh, it's not even a hollow, guys.
No, you said that a few times
Still.
in your past.
Leave him. He's a regular rare.
Okay.
Okay, second Lunana pack.
Let's put that there.
It's a regular rare. We're going boop boop. Put him here. It's okay.
I don't know that. I'll just put them on this pile.
He's in a sleeve.
Is that a camera shot?
What?
There is that a camera shot.
Okay.
You arguing me or something today.
No,
What's up with you?
nothing. It's a white pack. It's a white code.
Okay.
And a sun and moon. This could be anything. Please be a golden card.
Oh.
This is all I want. Like, I've only pulled ever one other golden card in my life, and it was the coolest.
What's that?
It's the energy.
What kind?
Steel or metal? I don't know. Dragonair, guys.
That could be a sign.
Could be a sign, but I don't want that pulled.
I'd be happy with anything.
Lima.
This last it was just a good card.
But if you're hunting for like a gold card,
yeah, no.
Hypno, guys. You will subscribe to my channel. Why are you being creepy? Lavender sounds.
Sorry, guys.
Earthquake. You're supposed to be starting these, like.
What's your last slave dial?
Starvation. Skarmory.
I ate all the food.
Exactly.
It's
I ate all the
terrible.
pies.
You didn't share?
I always share. Bounce sweet. Unless it's something I really like.
Right.
I think we're all the same though. Dig it! Oh, look at that tuft.
Come on.
Sexy. We have a Dratini. Oh my gosh.
Dragonair.
Yeah. We got Dratini, Dragonair.
Oh, what if?
Oh. Oh, reverse. Brown. Come on. Let's see what this is.
Just give me a minute. I want to sleeve it.
Okay.
Minute.
Yes.
I'll put it back to front.
Doesn't matter. Come on, sleepyhead.
When you put your reverse. Oh my god. That's terrible.
It's a BAM! Oh, it's a hollow though.
Nice hollow.
Oh, it's a Lowland mug.
That is a nice hollow.
I wasn't expecting a hollow.
No.
Okay, that's the Mimikyu box done, but that was good pulls, guys. Check.
That is a really nice.
This was our one out of the, what was it? Fates Clyde?
Yes.
And yeah, we didn't really pull anything apart from this from the Sun and Moons.
You got 2 hollows though.
That came with it,
Yeah, but it still counts as 1 and 2.
I guess. Now for this, I'm so hyped. Come on, guys. Guardians Rising. Let's break into this packet.
Honey clothing. I was gonna make. Can I look at it?
Yeah,
Don't mind.
I don't mind. Okay, guys, it's gonna be crazy. Okay, so we get coin with this. Why are you being creepy?
I don't know. I love that tune, and I don't know why.
It's actually a really nice tune. There you go. So we have a Victor Vault. It comes with the pack. Look at that shine. That's what comes with the pack. I'll put it into your sleeving pile. And we get a Metagross or Metang coin. I can't remember the size of one of them. It's a nice coin. You flip it. Heads or tails, guys? It's heads. So we got 2 packs. I mean 3 packs. Maybe. We have 2 of the Tapu guy and one Ninetales. What do I open first or last? I think we should open Ninetales last.
Yeah, I think so.
So this is gonna be our last pack.
Next pack.
That's our sexy pack pick. Hotness.
No, my coffee was hot next.
You sure wasn't the Pokemon?
No.
Very cold.
coffee.
Actually, a lonely Ninetales is cold.
Ooh, I might have to say this one for you.
Yes.
I just add it to the pile. It's not already there yet.
Yeah, just go for it. Oh, it's green code. Is the card trick with this one for?
I don't know. We'll soon
We
find
shall
out,
see.
I guess.
This is the newer packs. So, a listed leaf!
I know, that's what you think straight away, is it?
Yeah.
When you see a leaf.
Altar of the Moon.
Ooh.
That's Lunala much.
Oh, that's
Choice
a nice
band.
card. I like that
I
card.
so want to open the best of X and Y or the X and Y best of or something.
Yeah, we still want that.
Tentacruel. It really sucks because we've been looking for it on eBay just to see if it could get a listing, and we were going to go halved.
I think the cheapest we found is like £99.
Yeah, like
But
it's the best of X and Y, and you get an EX in every pack.
But I showed you the guy
Give me a
who
towel.
bought them like 40
And then where did he
each.
buy them from?
I know.
We need tips, guys. Where should we buy our cards from? Padalale.
The UK doesn't get so much.
Yeah, we
good
don't get
deals.
good deals or good offers. Like,
You need to really be
I
a
went-
business seller.
I went into the shops today and asked the guys how much he would sell me a whole booster box of Sun and Moon for,
Just 100.
and he said 100, which is quite good. But it's like I can't buy that. Got the da.
At least we know where to go to get them.
Yeah. Our reverse is the Altar of the Moon again.
Nice, that's two.
And BAM! Oh.
Nothing.
Here you go. Sleepy, sleepy.
Okay.
Oh, man, guys. Whoop.
Wow.
You just witnessed a live Twitch.
Oh my god, that was funny though.
I'm sorry, guys.
I love your
I
faces.
have problems. You're gonna want my card. The one at the front. I'm gonna give it to you. No questions asked. This packet was blessed.
Aww.
It was.
A big Snorlax.
It was blessed. You need it. Mum
Either
needs it.
Snorlax or Goomy.
You just need it. I'm not telling you what it is.
Please be a good card.
It's a green. But this pack is blessed regardless.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna love it forever and ever. Oh, I'm throwing away stuff.
And you're rustling your noise beside the mic.
Crud, sorry guys.
You hear pocket rustles.
ASMR. Energy fighting.
Sound effects.
Was that really necessary? I'm joking. Aquapatch. Oh, this comes in a secret rare.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty.
Blah, blah, blah. Energy Lotto? Nice.
What's the good thing? It shoots out balls.
It's Energy Lotto.
It's like, yeah, it's like a lottery.
Oh, come on! Ah, look at him.
I make up my mind if he's holding a lottery cake.
We have a Gloomy. Look, he's knitted.
I am so gonna try
There you
and
go.
crochet a gumi. Really? For
Yeah.
me? A knitted gumi?
Yeah,
Thank you
Mum's
so
getting the Goomy
much.
card. Wimpod. Goomy has a friend. Guys, look.
Gumi's so happy. Gumi, look.
Oh. We have a Jangmo.
Gumi, you look after that Gumi. He's sitting on it. He's like he's trying to hatch his
We have a Trubbish. Oh my god, it's the cutest Trubbish.
I love it.
It's actually pretty adorable. I wish we had more cards to open. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, but guys, ever get that feeling you just want to endlessly open Poke cards?
Yeah, it's called a box of
Reverse. Right, guys.
Oh, nice.
If you're wondering, this is actually one of my favorite Pokemon, Whimsicott. And I absolutely adore the shiny form.
Yeah.
And we get a boom! Aw, we got a bird. Or a choreo. Come on, last packet. This, guys, this is it. Kiss it. Gumi, come on. We need to be blessed by the Gumi. Come on, Gumi, come on, little fella. Here you go, Gumi. Aww. Gumi says hi, guys. Oh no, he's shy. Yeah, I'm still shy after I found him wandering about in my lab. Yeah. So guys, I've got some good news. I'll tell you while I'm opening this pack. I ordered myself a lab coat and some glasses. So you can actually see the for real Professor Okidoke. Oh, it's a green! We're all greens!
Oh.
It's a dud!
Dud.
That's upsetting. Hopefully we get better pulls online.
You've done not too bad.
With the
Today.
Mimikyu box, I did awesome.
Yeah. Well, you know what to do.
Mimikyu box.
Search for the Mimikyus.
Energy. So, you guys tell me, where do you buy your cards? Like, where
In
do you
the
get...
UK.
In the UK, preferably. Like, where would the good deals be? You know, like...
We don't have Target. Or...
We don't have a Target or a Walmart. The equivalent is a Tesco's, and Tesco's charge ridiculous prices.
Something, almost £6 a packet.
Unless you
For
can get it on sale or reduced.
I think the cheapest we've found $3.99 most shops elsewhere. For
It's
that,
just,
but
it's impossible for people in the UK unless they've got good money coming in or like a job that's consistent. Because like stuff costs.
I got something in my teeth.
That's actually his leaf.
I know, it's funny.
Oh, it's so mischievous. Like,
The shiny one of that, it's cute.
oh, Snore and Shiny is good.
Yeah.
Oh, no, Chansey! Nice.
Yay.
Our reverse is a reverse Machop. Damn.
That's quite neat.
Look at the fist on it.
I love the color. I love that nice
There you go.
warm orange, fiery orange.
And the regular rare is a victory bell, guys.
But it's still cool.
So yeah, this was the pack opening, and yeah,
You've done not bad. Look,
I'll show you
better
guys.
than your box.
Admittedly, this
The
is
elite box.
this is better than the
way better
elite
box that you did. the other
elite
day.
Sun and Moon box. Is way better
It's your
pools.
regular layers.
Oh, I'll show you guys what I pulled in Burger King as well,
Oh yeah, it was so neat.
and some extras
Yeah.
because I've got some extra sleeve. So yeah, guys. Let me just try and order these in a
Yeah.
relatively
you
good
have
order.
done really well. Watch me get nothing today.
So
So
here we go, guys.
can't complain. I did get a Goomy.
The Vicky Volt from the booster blister. Whoop. Yep, twitches. I got another Hollow Muck, a Lowland one. Speaking of Muck, we got a Grimer today in Pokemon Go. They're hard to come across. The Mimikyu that comes with the Mimikyu box. Reverse Machop. It's cool. Reverse Whimsicott. I was going to say Cottony. Reverse Brion. Cuteness. Fratini. Oh yeah, I've got these two. Regular rares. Regular rare Victory Bell. Regular rare Oricorio.
I'd love to see that as a holo.
I'd like to see it as a shiny.
Yeah,
Regular
very
rare Trevenant. Reverse Altar of the Moon. Oop. Regular rare Bird.
Bird.
I can't pronounce his name. reverse seal, regular rare sandcastle, reverse bounce suite, the picky pack that comes with the picky plaque.
Picky plaque.
The thing that comes with the picky pack blister pack. I got that at Tesco's. I got another Mimikyu because I got another Mimikyu box. We got a energy reset. Is it? Yeah. Oh, we're getting to the good stuff. Reverse Kangaskhan. Reverse Beware. Yeah, that shine on that though. Regular rare Butterfree. Oh, this tasty card I pulled.
Oh my god, we were almost screaming.
We were screaming at Burger King basically. Altaria EX Full Art.
Beautiful.
In all of its glory.
Yeah,
It's so beautiful. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
So blue.
It is.
We got an Adino Mega Adino EX. Check it out.
That's real cute.
And I pulled a Lurantis EX.
Is that a full art? I think it is.
So, considering the price of the Mimikyu boxes, I bought 2 basically in total today, and the price of my freaking Elite Trainer box, I might as well have bought like 3 Mimikyu packs. Honestly,
Folk have been complaining about the bad pulls out of them.
the Elite Trainer boxes just need a
Yeah.
boost or something, guys.
They are such a special buy. You know what I mean?
Pull, 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 pull.
I think
Pull,
we
pull,
should
pull, pull, pull.
improve their elite box a little bit better.
You know what though? I'm gonna be nice today. Give me a moment, guys. I'm trying to find a code for you. Which one do I want to give though? Doesn't matter. I have multiples. Yeah, I think I will.
Okay.
I'm gonna be special to you guys. Whoever gets it is a
Comment and share what you get.
yeah.
Oh,
Be sure
yeah.
to say what you get, and I appreciate you watching the whole way through the video, guys. And as appreciation, you can have a Mimikyu pin collection code
Nice one, Di.
because I have, well, one now, but you know, here you go, guys. Hope you get something awesome. I don't know what you get with this, so yeah, enjoy. And I love you guys.